Hello friends, today I'm again with you and I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1 page number 30, and today actually we're doing one comprehension and its name is Martin's Toys. What do you mean by comprehension? Comprehension means to understand, means one story or one extract or one writing you will read first time, and depends on these exercise or depends on these writing you will get some question. Same thing is here, see in this place there are some question. After reading this, means after reading this extract, you have to answer the following question. So let's start, but you have to keep remember first time try to understand the comprehension properly, and then it will be easier for you to answer the question. So let's start here. The Martin's toys. Martin has a big cupboard full of toys. Some are new, but most of them are old. He will not get rid of any of them. He is keeping all. The toy he likes best is his clockwork train. The oldest toy is a teddy bear. His mother bought it for his first birthday. Martin also has a big crane and a tractor. These are almost new. The crane can lift the tractor right off the floor. So after reading this, we can do this exercise. See, where does Martin keep his toys? Let's try to get it answer. Here see, Martin has a big cupboard full of toys. So where does he keep? Your answer should be Martin keeps his toys in a big cupboard. So we can write one number answer here like this. See, Martin keeps his toys in a big cupboard. Next one, see, which toy does Martin like best? Let's see what is written in this place. Some are new, but most of them are old. He will not get rid of any of them. The toy he likes best is his clockwork train. What we can write here, which toy does Martin like best? Our answer should be 2 number I'm writing here. Martin likes his clockwork train best. Now, so easy, I think so easy you are getting this. 3 number, who bought the teddy bear for Martin? Let's find out this one. Here the oldest toy is teddy bear. His mother bought it for his first birthday. So we have got the answer. We will try to write in this place. You will write in your copy. 3 number answer should be his mother bought it for him. Bought it for him. Next number, which toy does Martin lift off the floor with his crane? 4 number. Here see, Martin also has a big crane and a tractor. These are almost new. The crane can lift the tractor right off the floor. So I think we have got the answer. Let's start to write the answer. Here I am going to write Martin can lift his tractor off the floor with his crane. With his crane. Last one, 5 number. Is it true that most of Martin toys are new? Of course not, because we have got here, see, here it is written some are new but most of them are old. So we have to write the answer in this place. 5 number, no. Most of his toys are old. So today we have finished another page, that is page number 30, and the topic what we have done today, that is Martin toys. This is a comprehension. We have got what is comprehension. Comprehension means you will get one extract or writing from some place, and after reading this extract you will find some question and you have to answer those questions. So today up to this, next day we will do page number 31 from Junior English Book 1. There we will find the topic, that is using is and are and using was and were. So bye for today.